India.
Our capital. Our Prime Minister.
Narendra Modi.
Our President.
Draupadi Murmu.
First Prime Minister of India.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Very good. Prime Minister of India.
Indira Gandhi.
First woman President of India.
Pratibha Gandhi.
Our Independence Day.
15th August 1947.
Our Republic Day.
26th January.
Who ruled India before independence?
British.
Our national fruit.
Mango.
Our national vegetable.
Pumpkin.
Our national river.
Tangaranga.
Our national aquatic animal.
Dolphin.
Our national heritage animal.
Elephant.
Our national flag.
Tiranga.
Flag colors.
Sun, white and green.
Ashoka Chakra color.
Navy blue.
National anthem.
Jananamana.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National emblem.
Then capital Ashoka.
Our national animal.
Tiger.
Our national bird.
Peacock.
Our national flower.
Lotus.
Our national tree.
Banyan tree.
Our national food.
Kichadi.
Our national reptile.
Iguana.
Our national musical instrument.
Hina.
Our national language.
Hindi.
Our currency.
Hindi.
Who designed our national flag?
Hindalamaya.
Who wrote Jana Gana Mana?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Father of our nation.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Our Gandhi Jayanti.
2nd October.
Number of states in India.
28 states.
Vegetable.
Pumpkin.
Largest state in India.
Rajasthan.
Smallest state in India.
Goa.
Largest city in India.
Mumbai.
First president of India.
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Very good. Highest civilian award in India.
Bharat Ratna.
Our national calendar.
Shada Calendar.
National days of India.
Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti.
Our national sports.
Hockey.
Our national festival of light.
Diwali.
Our festival of colors.
Holi.
Missile man of India.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Largest river in India.
Ganga River.
Largest lake in India.
Vamayati Lake.
Our national motto.
Satyameva Jayate.
Emperor spoke in Ashoka Chakra.
94 folks.
Kerala main crop.
Friends.
Popular national sweet.
Jilebi.
Our state.
Kerala.
Capital of Kerala.
Tirunelveli.
Very good. Chief Minister of Kerala.
Pinarayi Vijayan.
First Chief Minister of Kerala.
EMS Namboodiripadu.
Number of districts in Kerala.
14 districts.
Say the names.
Kasaragod, Kannur, Wayanad, Kozhikode, Malappuram, Palakkad, Thrissur, പിന്നെ എറണാകുളം, ഇടുക്കി, കോട്ടയം, പത്തനംതിട്ട, ആലപ്പുഴ, കൊല്ലം, തിരുവനന്തപുരം.
Largest district in Kerala.
ഇടുക്കി.
Very good. Smallest district in Kerala.
ആലപ്പുഴ.
Our district.
മലപ്പുറം.
Our taluk.
കേരള താലൂക്ക്.
Biggest taluk in Kerala.
കേരള താലൂക്ക്.
Official language in Kerala.
മലയാളം.
Very good. State bird of Kerala.
ഹോർഡിൽ.
Official tree of Kerala.
ഓമൻട്രി.
Official flower of Kerala.
ഗോൾഡൻ ഷവർ.
Official food of Kerala.
സദ്യ.
State animal of Kerala.
എലിഫന്റ്.
Very good. State fish of Kerala.
ഹണി പ്രൈസ് ബട്ടർ.
State fruit of Kerala.
ജാഫ്രൂട്ട്.
State sports of Kerala.
വോളിബോൾ.
State dance of Kerala.
കഥകളി.
State boat race of Kerala.
വള്ളംകളി.
Very good. State festival of Kerala.
ഓണം.
Our district collector.
പിയ വിനോദ് IAS.
Our educational minister.
വി ശിവൻകുട്ടി.
Largest river in Kerala.
പെരിയാർ.
Highest peak in Kerala.
ആനമുടി.
Very good. Largest lake in India.
വേമ്പനാട്ട് ലൈക്ക്.
Largest dam in Kerala.
ഇടുക്കി ഡാം.
First woman minister of Kerala.
AR ഗൗരിയമ്മ.
State flower color of in Kerala.
എല്ലാ.
Kerala tourism tagline.
God's own country.
Very good. Kerala day date.
1st November.
State emblem animal of Kerala.
Elephant.
Official tree of Kerala.
Coconut tree.
State dress of men in Kerala.
Mud.
State dress of men in women in Kerala.
Assam sari.
Very good. First high court of Kerala.
Kochi.
First airport in Kerala.
തിരുവനന്തപുരം എയർപോർട്ട്.
Meaning of Jai Hind.
Return to India.
Indian passport color.
Navy blue.
What we say to the flag?
Jai Hind.
Very good. We say on August 15.
Happy Independence Day.
What is Independence Day?
India became free.
Main crop of Kerala.
Rice.
Main export of Kerala.
Spices.
Largest zoo in Kerala.
തിരുവനന്തപുരം Zoo.
Very good. Church in Kerala.
St. Francis Church.
Fastest train in Kerala.
Vande Bharat Express.
Who raised Indian flag in 1947?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Our national flag.
Heart of Elegance.
Famous temple in Kerala.
Shabarimala.
Very good. School name.
Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi.
Gandhiji's father name.
Karamchandra Gandhi.
Gandhiji's mother name.
Putribai Gandhi.
Gandhiji's wife name.
Kasturba Gandhi.
Gandhiji's main teaching.
Nam West and Truth.
Very good. Time to sing national anthem.
52 seconds.
Which Independence Day in 2025?
79th Independence Day.
What to do when anthem is sung?
Stand straight and respect.
Why do we celebrate Teachers Day?
To love and care for teachers.
Teachers Day date.
6th September.
Very good. Governor of Kerala.
Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar.
Our Children's Day.
14th November.
Why do we celebrate Children's Day?
To love and care for children.
Whose birthday on October 14?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Whose birthday on October 2?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Very good. Where was Gandhiji born?
Pandar, Gujarat.
Ruling Party of India.
BJP.
Ruling Party of Kerala.
LDF.
Top color of our flag.
Saffron.
Middle color of our flag.
White.
Very good. Who holds the flag at the district level?
District Collector VR Vinod IAS.
Who holds the flag at the state level?
Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar or Pinarayi Vijayan.
Who is called Chacha Nehru?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Nightingale of India.
Sarojini Naidu.
Who is known as Netaji?
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Who holds the flag on Independence Day?
Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Who holds the flag on Republic Day?
President Draupadi Murmu.
Bottom color of our flag.
Green.